Run-of-the-mill. The idiom, run-of-the-mill, is used to describe something that is ordinary, average, or lacking in uniqueness or special qualities. It suggests that the thing being referred to is not exceptional or outstanding, but rather just like many others of its kind. The term, run-of-the-mill, originated from the manufacturing industry, where it referred to products that were produced in large quantities and were not customized or unique in any way. Over time, the phrase has been adopted into everyday language to describe things that are common or unremarkable. Here are a few examples of how run-of-the-mill can be used in sentences. 1. The movie was entertaining, but it was just a run-of-the-mill romantic comedy, nothing special. 2. I'm tired of eating the same run-of-the-mill meals every day. I need something more exciting. 3. The hotel we stayed at was decent, but the rooms were just run-of-the-mill and lacked any unique features. 4. I expected the new restaurant to offer something different, but the food was just run-of-the-mill, nothing extraordinary. 5. The book had an interesting premise, but the writing style was run-of-the-mill and didn't captivate me. In all these examples, run-of-the-mill is used to describe something that is average, ordinary, or lacking in distinctiveness. It implies that the thing being referred to is not exceptional or remarkable in any way.